Here's how to unblock mature content on YouTube. So you've got two different spots here. You've got age restricted content and you've also got restricted mode. So that's two things that we need to look at on YouTube. Now we're going to show you on desktop and mobile. Here's on desktop first. We go to our YouTube profile picture drop down and we're going to see restricted mode right here. So we can toggle this on and off just by clicking on that, and make sure you toggle it off and then YouTube won't be filtered. But if you're running into age restricted content, it's because of the birth date on your Google account. And that's what YouTube goes off of for your age. So as long as you're 18 years or older, you can set your birth date properly on your Google account and there won't be age restrictions either. And so what we do there is we click on our profile picture and then we go to Google account. It's going to go to myaccount.google.com. And inside of personal info, we're going to find our birth date. And so right here, we need to click on our birth date. You might not even see a birth date because you didn't have to put one in to create your Google account. So you need to make sure that your birth date is properly set. And if you're 18 or older, you will be able to watch age restricted content there. Now on mobile, it's going to be in a little different spot than here on desktop. So in the actual YouTube app itself, we're going to look at our profile picture in the lower right. And then once we're on our home page for our profile, in the upper right, we have our gear icon, and I believe it's inside of general. We'll check here. Yeah, so restricted mode is inside of general settings. It should be the same for Android, and on Android or on iPhone in the YouTube app, you're going to be able to toggle off restricted mode right here. And then on both Android and iPhone in the accounts drop down, this is where you can go and actually edit your account. So it says manage your Google account. And we can go there, go to personal info, make sure our birthday is set properly. And so that's how you can unblock mature content. If you notice you're running into blocked videos or maturity filters or age restricted content, that's how to unblock that adult content on YouTube on both the desktop and YouTube app. Hopefully this helped you out. Leave a like on the video if it did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.